Alright guys, welcome to a universe called This Channel. Today I'm coming at you with a Valorant guide. This guide is for beginners who got access to the game through watching through Twitch, as we all do. So welcome, and if you enjoyed the guide, drop a comment and a like, and let me know if you have improved your Valorant gameplay thus far. So we will be talking about 6 things that will help you improve your gameplay at Valorant. So those things will be settings, movement, guns, gunplay, awareness, and positioning. So the first thing on our list is settings. Settings are crucial to your play and will make it easier for you to adjust to the game much better. So your sensitivity, your crosshair settings, and much other. You want to adjust your settings accordingly so you aren't struggling to hit your targets, whether it be slow or too fast. Your binds should also be changed. Keep in mind when you are adjusting your settings, you want to adjust your settings according to how comfortable you are playing on those binds. Otherwise, you will greatly struggle to improve at the game. Next is basic movement. Basic movement in the game is key to how you perform. So walking versus running. In certain situations, it may help or hinder your outcome to make crucial plays. For example, you could be the last person on the map, and they planted the bomb all the way across the map. You definitely don't want to walk all the way to that point, because at that point, the bomb will probably go off by the time you kill everyone, so you don't want to make the crucial mistake of walking, but you also don't want to run, because running, everyone could hear you, everyone can sort of know where your position is and guess, oh, I should take this position here, this position there, so that I can better fight him. So basically, you want to walk when you're close to people, but also run so you can make it to the objective. So the next thing on our list is guns. You also want to take into account what guns you're using. So what is a niche gun versus a gun that can be used in most situations? So you want to be using guns like a Vandal, Phantom, Op. The Bulldog is actually surprisingly good if you know how to use it in certain situations. So take into account what guns you're using. So like guns like the Bucky, the Marshall, or guns like the Guardian, they're a lot better in certain situations as opposed to the Phantom or the Vandal, which is good in most situations, or the Op. And you just want to take into basic account of what is good for you. And this is also based on your preference. So, like, do you like the Phantom over the Vandal, or do you like the Bulldog over the other weapons? Awareness. Awareness is something you definitely need to have in this game. Otherwise, you can severely struggle. Your awareness is what helps you determine where a target is or where someone might be. So basically, your teammate gets killed over here. He might rotate over to A, B, or he might rotate mid. You know what I mean? Like you want your awareness to be at a good enough level to where, oh, there's someone around the corner, I can hear them, or I've seen someone die over there. It's about knowing where things are and what might happen at those times. Another thing is positioning. Positioning works very well if you know how to position yourself. If you position yourself accordingly, you basically have your enemy team have to make smarter plays. So basically, you hide around a deep corner. That enemy team has to push a little further just to get to you. Or if you position yourself in a unexpected place, people will be like shocked or confused because, oh, I didn't expect that person to be there. You know what I mean? So it's all about how you play the game. If you don't play the game smart, you can definitely get picked off by the enemy team, or you can definitely make your team struggle even more, because fighting like a 4v4, or a 4v5 or a 3v5 because you and your teammates got picked off at the wrong point can definitely make you guys struggle. So with that said, please do take these as my experience, and I hope that you've enjoyed this guide. And if you like it, let me know what you think in the comments below. I just wanted to do a basic guide and something simple that beginners can improve at Valorant, because I know I could have used it when I started.